Now, Akon is going through a divorce with his wife, Utomeka Thiem, and she is demanding a 100 million euros divorce settlement. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, the divorce filing that was submitted on the 11th of September 2025 cites irreconcilable differences as the reason for their separation. Now, Tomeka is seeking joint legal custody of their 17-year-old daughter, Journey, with primary physical custody and has requested a spousal support. What's shocking is that Tomeka is demanding 100 million euros, which is approximately 200 million rands, claiming she contributed significantly to Akon's business empire, including his music, real estate, and Akon Lighting Africa initiative. However, court investigations revealed that Akon has only 10,000 US dollars in his personal bank account, which is approximately 173,000 rands. Now, with the bulk of his wealth allegedly held under his mother's name. Now, Akon is known for his hits like Smack That and Locked Up, and has been open about his polygamous lifestyle, citing it as part of his African culture. He has 9 children and has previously spoken about balancing family responsibilities with his demanding career. Now, the divorce has sparked widespread discussion with friends and commentators questioning Akon's financial situation, whether he strategically shielded his assets. The outcome of the divorce settlement remains uncertain. Now, the question that I have is, was it wise for Akon to put everything that he has achieved under his mom's name, or Akon was just being greedy and selfish? What are your thoughts?